Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today a few words regarding the recording that I've just finished and published as well, about Kiss the Rain in the version published in the grade 5 piano solos. There is also the official version of Kiss the Rain published on my artistic channel, and a tutorial related to what I have done while preparing the recording of the official version of Kiss the Rain. Anyways, just few words related to what I have done sometime to, I hope, to improve the sound of the left hand notes. And you have maybe noticed in some other video, I am using the middle pedal, the Sostenuto pedal, that is the one in between the sustain pedal or damper pedal, that is the right one, and the left pedal, that is the una corda pedal, the one that make the sound softer, yeah? So I have decided to use the middle pedal, the Sostenuto pedal, here in bar 8. This is my opinion, because I like to keep simply the bottom sound, the lowest sound, and to change pedal twice in the bar, avoiding to keep the A flat here that can obviously clash with the G and create a kind of a not really clear sound. Then I have used the same middle pedal, Sostenuto pedal, in bar 11 here. I've done the same in bar 16. Then again in bar 24, here maybe it might be not that much needed, but I definitely prefer it because otherwise I would miss the E changing the pedal here. The publisher decided to suggest the pedal up to the G, up to the third, beginning of the third count. I said, why not? Holding the E that is a semi-breve up to the end and not losing it. Sometimes, you know, I don't know, there are strange decisions taken. Then I used the Sostenuto middle pedal here in the bar 25 and used again a little bit at the end of bar 32, in the whole bar 33, and in the last bar. Obviously, it's important that I clarify how to use this middle pedal, because I've been talking about it lately, but it's better that I clarify in this video how to use the middle pedal. When you use the Sostenuto pedal, the middle pedal, you should push down first of all the middle one and then straight after the right one. Let's use, for example, this bar. I'm going to use the bar 11 as an example, yeah, to show you. Try now to focus on the sound. Let's move back to my feet, to the pedals. So when I use the Sostenuto middle pedal, I do. Look, I try to do it in slow motion. So first of all the sound, then the middle pedal, and then the right one. And then obviously on the third count I simply change this one, because you see that the F was still held. Again the same. The middle, you see, gives you the chance of keeping only one sound, of holding one sound, or maybe an octave, or so it's very specific, the middle pedal. This is the power of the Sostenuto pedal. I'm not going to talk about the rhythmical structure, the notes, the fingering, because I hope and suppose that at this level you are well trained and you easily understand how to manage everything. In case obviously you have any problem, you can definitely comment and I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for today, and I really hope you will enjoy the recording, this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done before. Thank you.